Good morning, students. Now today we are going to discuss the different type of friction. The heading is different types of friction. The first one is static friction. What is static friction? A force of friction which exactly balances the applied force during the stationary state of the body. Means suppose here this is the duster, it is placed over the horizontal table. If you apply the force but body does not come into motion, it means here that the frictional force which acts in the opposite direction is exactly balance the applied force. That's why the duster does not come into motion. So what is static friction? Static means rest, stationary. So a force of friction which exactly balances the applied force during the stationary state of the body is called static friction. Second one is sliding friction. Sliding friction, it comes into play when one body slides over the surface of other body. A body, when it slides over the surface of other body. So what is the definition of sliding friction? It comes into play when one body slides over the surface of the other body. All we see here, suppose this is an inclined surface, and when a body slides over the surface of another body, it slides over the surface of other body, and here you can say that when one body that slides over the surface of other body. Now third one is rolling friction, when one body rolls over the surface of another body. When one body rolls, so sliding friction is less than static friction. Static friction. Now third one is rolling friction. It comes into play when one body rolls over the surface of other body. So there are three types of friction. First one is static friction. Actually, the second one is kinetic friction, and kinetic friction is of two types. Second is that is sliding friction. When one body slides over the surface of other body, then it is called sliding friction. And sliding friction is always less than the static friction. Third one is the rolling friction. It comes into play when one body rolls over the surface of the other body. So here rolling friction is much less than sliding friction. Here you can say that when one body slides, here it is slides over the surface of other body, and here a body rolls over the surface of other body. Since rolling friction is always much less than the sliding friction. Suppose you have to take the gas cylinder one place to another place. If you slide the cylinder from one place to another place, then larger friction force which opposes the motion of the cylinder. But if he rolls the gas cylinder, then you can easily transfer from one place to the other place. Thank you.